I'm just at Okayama University now on the way back home, on the way home from, where did I go? Daiso, and I just wanted to take you through the what is this? Yakugakubu area, the pharmacy area. It's nice and green and there's lots of cicadas, so I like it. And also when we get to the end of this street, there's like lots of rice fields, because that's where I live. Kinda. Tired. I'm absolutely buggered from trying to race myself up this hill. Oh, it was so exhausting. But coming back down the hill was fun on the other side. Oh no, the battery's running out. If this cuts out, I apologise, but it still seems to be going well. Anyway, nice and green as you can see. Maybe I'll just stop it now. Sorry! No, let's let it go. That's the end. These are the agricultural areas. Sometimes there's ducks around and there's a goat paddock, which makes me happy because I like goats, they're cute. Ah. Oops. My bike's being a bit stupid. There's the mountains that I look towards when I face the north, which means Australia's that way. Woo, Australia, I'll be there in 4 weeks. Woohoo! I'm so excited about that. I could do whatever people do when they're excited, such as wet themselves. Oh, puddles! I love puddles. It's been raining. Stupid typhoon in China. Oh, my feet are wet. Oh, it smells funny. Oh, dragonfly. We should totally stalk this chick in front of us. Crazy gaijin. Ugh, my feet feel yucky now. Car coming, so just move to the left. And those are the rice fields right next to where I live. That's where I live. Oh, I can hear crickets and froggies. Anyway, bye. I'll turn the camera off now.